So as we have discussed the concept of stack in Python, so what is a stack? Stack is linear data structure. There's two items in LIFO manner, last in first out. So you can see the example of a bread packet. As we are having a bread packet, and if you want to insert some bread in this packet, you need to start from the bottom. So you just pick one bread and add the bottom of this packet, and then upside the bread you insert the next one, and then next one, then next one, then next one. So you can insert the bread in this manner. So if you want to remove the bread, you just need to pick the bread that is at the top of this packet, at the top in this packet. So you need to remove this bread, and then you need to pick the next one uh, that is now now at the top of this packet. So this is how you can do last in first out. Means the at the top bottom you will add the items, and you just pick last in first out. Means the first one that is at the top of the packet, you can say at the top of the stack. So the next one is queue is also a linear data structure uh, that stores items in first out. So the item that comes first will go first. So here is the example of an ATM queue, and you can see that we are having five people in the queue, and the first one that having the blue shirt, that is wearing the blue shirt, is at the first position. So he will take money from the ATM and go first. So here is at the first position, is coming first and going first. The second one, and then the third one, then the fourth one, and the fifth one. So let's say we are having example here. Let's say we are having uh, a list, empty list, and we are inserting two items in this list. So let's say we are inserting three items. So at we need to we need to add these items at the first position. You can say at the last position, as Java comes first, then Perl comes second, and the third one, that will be Python, comes at the third position. So we are writing len a because of indexing. So len a is equals to 0 for first, len a is equals to 1 for second. So indexing is and the index starts from 0. So we are having Java at 0 position, Perl at second, and the third one, that is Python, at the third position. Then we are printing a, and then we are removing item from the list, or you can say queue. So we need to remove items from the we need to remove the first item that comes first. So we need to write the index 0, because the index 0 comes first, and that's why it will go first. Then we will print the remaining queue. So here you can see we are having Java, Perl, and Python. Third is Python. So because Java comes first, then the Java will go first. So we are removing Java first. So this is the concept of queue, and this is how we can implement the we can say this is how we can implement queue in Python. So you can use append function here, because in the insert function we are just appending the items at the last. So you use append, and you can say I. So here we are appending 10 numbers for I in range from 1 to 10. So let's print A. So here we are having a queue of 10 items. If we remove items from the this queue from I is range from 1 to 11, and then a dot pop 0. Let's do this and then print A. So now we are having the empty list. What if we again remove the items pop 0? Let's run this. So it is giving us error pop from empty list. So we are having empty list, so we cannot remove this. So